The mass airflow sensor is located here on the intake tube behind your air filter. It is this plug here. It will be locked where you can't open it until you pull this red tab back, and then the black tab on the inside you push down and pull back. You can leave that aside. This takes a Torx T20 bit. You put it in and unscrew it. You should be able to pull it straight out. Oh, there's a second screw down there also. So you may need to move this out of your way. That should pull straight out. And here you have your mass airflow sensor. So you would replace it with the new one by pushing the new one into the hole. Get the screw started. And don't over tighten it. Screws in plastic don't need very much tension on them. Just make sure it's snug so it can't rattle back out. So very lightly tighten it. Replace your plug, snap it in, and then push your safety clip back in to lock it. And let's remove this out of the way. This tab will be pushed down on top of this screw here, and it holds that wire from flopping around. That's it.